creator.
Alright, I'm about to show y'all a way that I like to knock out these cuts. It's not the quickest system, but it should be easy to follow along with.
Whoop. Here I come.
My preferred way to do it to start off is always knocking the hair down. I like to make sure that's out the way before I start making any lines. When it comes to punching in guidelines, I like to start where the ear connects to the bottom of the vertical bars. Always, I never take my taper above the occipital bone. I should have an example popping up soon. But I never take it over the occipital bone because it could just come out looking real awkward. And we don't want that. Now to get rid of any stubble left behind that the trimmer couldn't get, I'm flicking up with the shaver. Going up about 1 inch, I have my magic clip fully open. Bringing the lever halfway and flicking out the middle section. Now the clipper is fully closed and I can begin to start getting that bottom line out. Throughout this entire cut, I'm using just the corners of my blade. There's plenty of systems to use, but in this video, I'm gonna go straight from a no guard, half, 1 guard, and then end it all with a 1.5. With my half guard, I'm going open and then halfway, and then I'm going to close to get the bottom line out. At the 1 guard section, it's the same steps: open, halfway, close. On the back, it's the same thing, same steps, just a bigger space to work with.
I met her at this house party on El Segundo in Central. She had the credentials of strippers in Atlanta. Ass came with a hump from the jump, she was a camel. I wanna ride like Arabians, pushing no for Mercedes-Benz. Hello, my name is Kendrick.
In a second, you'll see me turn the clipper upside down, and that's because some areas of the hair have a different growth pattern, so cutting it straight up may or may not work all the time.
Where you stay? She said down the street from Dominguez High. Okay, I know that's borderline Compton or Paramount. Well, it's a Compton. No, she replied to quickly start batting her eyes and strictly had one of her thighs around me. 17 with nothing but on my mental. My motive was rather sinful. What you trying to get into? She didn't tell, just gave me her next tale. Dropped the number, we chirped the whole summer, and well, the summer had passed and now I'm liking her. Conversation we having probably enticing her. Who can imagine? Maybe my actions will end up wifing her. Love or lust, regardless what trifling us. It's deep rooted, the music of being young and dumb. It's never muted, in fact it's much louder where I'm from. We know a lot about each other. Her mother was a addict. She lived with her granny and her younger 2 brothers. Her favorite cousin Demetrius is a reputable. Family history of gang banging did make me skeptical, but not enough to stop me from getting a nut. I wanna come over, what's up? That's what I told her soon as this episode Martin go off, I'm trying to get off. I wasn't heat like a cactus, my tactics of being thirsty probably could hurt me, but f***ing I got some.
Alright, so now that we made it to the other side of his head, we're not going to change up any steps. We're going to do the exact same system. I got other ways I could have knocked this cut out, but like I said in the beginning, this is just one way that I wanted to share with y'all, but hopefully it's easy to follow along with, like I thought.
Positions next, sent a picture of her titties blowing up my text. I looked at them and almost ran my front bumper into Corvette. Enthused by the touch of a woman, she's a masseuse, and I'm a professional porn star. Went off the goose. I fifth in the trunk like Curtis Jackson for ransom. I'm hoping to get her loose like an Uncle Luke anthem. I'm 2 blocks away, 250 feet and 6 steps from where she stays. She
For the beard, as requested, I'll just be lining and trimming, but the tips will remain untouched.
rang.
This is for my number one. This is for my number one.
Using my brush, I'm pulling hairs that may fall out of place later to cut and ensure that my lineup stays intact.
Love you better, baby.
I'm not trying to cut nobody, so using my thumb and pulling the skin helps prevent that
Oh
from happening.
shit. Okay, we gotta cut. Oh shit. Jesus.
Busy a lot, and I know you don't feel appreciated or whatnot. I used to tell you that your hair looked fly, kiss you slow and stare in your eyes. Now I talk real foul and slick. Every other sentence is you make me sick. Back in the days I was your number one pick. Now your heart's half broken and that's hard to fix. I had to dig deep inside myself, cause I can't see you bouncing with somebody else. It's a long journey back to the place we was, when I was too embarrassed to admit I was in love. And you was my good girl that wouldn't give it up. I can't let her self-destruct.
I didn't get the front lineup on camera like I wanted to, but something to always remember is start at the center and walk it left to right or whichever side is higher. Just a little something I like to do with these low cuts. I'm just gonna add some foam and then heat and then brush it down. This how he pulled up. And this how you stepping up, clean. If you grab something new, let me know in the comments what it was. Leave a like, subscribe, appreciate y'all.